Going to be reviewing the Tigerjet with the GYRO. It's got a 3-channel remote control helicopter. It's going to be an indoor helicopter with a range of about 30 feet. You can commonly find these at any Best Buy retailer, basically in the United States. First off, you're going to see the actual helicopter right here. It's got a metal frame body, but it's got plastic rotors, so it's going to protect it from impacts when you hit it, drop it, and stuff like that. You're going to come with a charger cable. You're also going to get the actual controller. The controller, you can actually charge the helicopter as well with the controller. If not, you can use this cable. It's a USB. You can plug it into a computer or whatever you prefer. As you can see, this helicopter has really nice performance. It's steady. You can basically control it at any altitude that you'd like. Here's an example of a slow and steady takeoff that this helicopter is capable of. As you can see, that it's really easy to control. Any child can use it. And the stability is just amazing. You can feel the wind underneath the helicopter. I really highly recommend this toy. I think it's a great helicopter. It's one of the best I've seen for the price. You can pick this thing up for under 40 bucks. And it's just an amazing deal, amazing helicopter, and it's fun to play around with. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions regarding this helicopter, just let me know. Thanks. Bye.